Hi, my name is Ursula and I'm an instructor at the College of DuPage. I'm going to talk a little bit today about the ACT and the SAT. On the board here you'll notice there are some dates. These are the testing dates for the rest of the year 2020. If you had signed up for the June 6th SAT, it's been canceled. So make sure that you get a hold of the College Board at collegeboard.org because you will have priority registration for these other dates. So make sure that you contact them and get registered before they open it up to the general public. If you plan on taking the ACT, registration is now open for the June 13th and July 18th testing dates. You want to apply as soon as possible because they will start having late fees after May 9th. These other testing dates have not opened yet. They will open later on in May of this year, May of 2020. So if you want to take these, you have a couple weeks still to register for this before they start doing late fees. Some of the differences between the two tests: the SAT has two math sections, a reading, an English, and an essay. The ACT has one math, one reading, one English, one science, and one essay. The two math tests here for the SAT, one is going to be with a calculator and one is going to be without a calculator. They both have multiple choice and free response questions in them. So you have calculator with multiple choice and free response, and then you have non-calculator with multiple choice and free response. For the ACT, their math test is just going to be with a calculator and all multiple choice. The reading tests are about the same. It's reading comprehension. So they will give you a passage and then they ask you questions about it. The English exams are about the same as well. They're more like proofreading exercises. So they will give you passages and then you have to say whether they're grammatically correct, if they need to change their punctuation, that sort of thing. The ACT has a science section, which is pretty much a reading comprehension with some math thrown in because they give you some charts and graphs that you need to analyze. And then they both have essays. The ACT essay is more an opinion piece. So they would give you a topic and then you have to say what your opinion is on it. If you've taken the exam already and you don't like your score, you can always take it again. But when you do take the test again, say you took it here on September 12th and you didn't like your score and you're going to take it again in December, you need to do something drastic between these two testing dates or you're going to get about the same score. Since it's a standardized test, it's supposed to be about the same score for the same person when they take it again and again. So you have to do something major in between those two testing dates, like take a class or take some practice tests or something like that. The College of DuPage does offer classes and one-on-one tutoring. For the summer, we will not be having in-person classes, but we will have classes available online via Zoom or some video conferencing. In the fall, we do plan on having in-person classes, as well as the video and then the one-on-one tutoring. If you decide to sign up for a class or for the one-on-one tutoring, you'll get a set of books. One book is just tests and quizzes for you to take on your own. It tells you like how much time to allow for each particular section. And then the other book is a skill building book. So it starts out with basic level of understanding and then intermediate and then advanced. So that it kind of works your way up through all the different levels of difficulty on the exam questions. So if you're interested in taking a class or getting a one-on-one tutor for the ACT or the SAT, you would go to the College of DuPage website, cod.edu, and then you would look for the High School Continuing Education tab. There they will have the classes available, either how they're going to be given, when, where, either in person, at the school, video conferencing, and then they also have information on how to get a private tutor if you're interested in that. So keep these dates in mind, register as soon as possible, and good luck if you're going to take the test.